Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Veteran track and field coach Glen is urging the Jamaica Olympic Association and the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3As, to put aside their differences for the betterment of the sport. Mills argues that the dispute between the two sporting bodies is threatening to create a retrograde step. His comments come in the aftermath of the ongoing spat between the two leading up to and during the Paris Olympic Games.
One of the things that definitely has to improve and has to change is the bickering and the difference between the Olympic body and the athletic body. This is very harmful to the sport, and if it is not cauterized and allowed to continue, we're going to have some bad results, and the sport is going to suffer.
At the Paris Olympics, the nation garnered 6 medals, 1 gold, 3 silver and 2 bronze, their lowest medal haul since the 2004 Athens Games. But Mills says Jamaicans should celebrate the medals earned in Paris with the hope that that tally will increase at the Los Angeles 2028 Games.
To scoff at, although we were hoping to double that amount. But over the years, we have had big successes. And we have got also to brace ourselves that there are going to be times when we do not get the kind of results we are hoping for. What we need to do is to analyze what we can do better for the next Olympics.
Jamaica's largest Olympic medal haul stands at 13, achieved at the 2012 London Games, where the country garnered 13 medals, inclusive 4 gold, 5 silver and 4 bronze. American Jordan Childs will still be denied a bronze medal in artistic gymnastics from the Paris Olympics after the U.S. Gymnastics Federation bid to the Court of Arbitration for Sports failed. The competition was held on Monday, August 5, in the floor artistic gymnastics event. Brazil's Rebecca Andrade won gold and U.S. star Simone Biles took silver. The dispute came surrounding the bronze, which Romanian Ana Barboso considered hers on points, but which ended up going to the American Childs after a claim. The fight for the bronze did not end there. From Romania, it was alleged that the U.S. claim was not submitted within the time limit established by the rules, but was made 4 seconds later. The Court of Arbitration for Sport, who decides about these controversies, ruled in their favor, and the IOC awarded the bronze to Barboso. And the U.S. filed a new claim, which has been rejected, so the bronze still does not go to Childs. What USA Gymnastics raised is that the coach's claim was made 47 seconds after the score was posted, a time frame that is under the 1-minute time limit. USA cited new video evidence showing that the appeal was filed on time, and even that a second appeal was filed 55 seconds later. CAS rules that in the CAS rules they explained they do not allow an arbitration award to be reconsidered even if conclusive new evidence is submitted. Now, the next Olympic Games, which will take place in Los Angeles in 2028, will incorporate 5 new disciplines, some of which are the return of old ones and others brand new. The announcement was made by IOC President Thomas Bach, who explained that the choice is in line with American sporting culture and will showcase iconic American sports to the world while bringing international sports to the United States. In 2028, spectators around the world will be able to see the return of 4 historic disciplines that had been sidelined: baseball, cricket and lacrosse. 2 others have Olympic status for the first time: flag football, a non-contact form of American football, and squash. Now, cricket has not been at the Olympics since the Paris 1900 Olympics and lacrosse since London 1908. Paris 2024 featured new disciplines such as break dancing and kayak cross, 3-on-3 basketball, surfing, skateboarding and climbing repeated after arriving at the Tokyo 2020 Games and will be in Los Angeles. Baseball and softball were in Tokyo but not repeated in Paris. And that is it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.